Epic Flows Production.
Epic Flows.
Yeah. Hello. Good night. Hello.
Yeah, I'm talk to Keisha there.
I know Keisha this, you know. A Epic.
Yeah, I'm talk to Keisha there.
You know, hear me say I know Keisha this. A Epic can talk to.
Yo, sorry me G, like I the wrong number this.
No worry about it, man. I saw them gyal are full of tricks.
Oh, what about my G? Thing good? Why pray?
Well, me there dog a chill back. Keisha me ex, you know. She love a rich man who live pan you like eczema. Them gyal let too wicked. Try take man for idiot and give them my number. Let me ask you something though. When you just meet her, she the one you buy her cheesecake or ice cream or nothing like that?
Naughty body.
Me know, man. So how this?
Yeah, govy.
Bombard big artist. So you the girl really did a try scam a luck thing. You have sense and no food like her wife.
Look at the boy, I eat that the girl thing.
Girl Keisha, swear she not no shame. I try and yam out my money like it's a open buffet. She suck off ice cream straight off from my big toe. Cause me promise say me I go buy her one iPhone. It up but downstairs, right under the cellar. Only reason me I tell you, cause me get catch by one of her family member. Guess which one?
Keisha brother.
No dog.
Keisha cousin.
No dog. Her sister. And she asks if her sister can suck the other toes.
What you mean?
So she can get some other phones.
Blood clot.
Yo, I saw the thing set dog. If you broke girl treat you like insect dog. And every girl you fi show interest. And I love at all her money she want dog. Look how much money you go invest. And another man a buy her things off a Pinterest dog. Yo, I saw the thing set dog. Now no money you the girl don't want.
It's epic out here.
Epic Flows Production.
Radical epic.
Epic
Zin,
Flows.
Leash, big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.